Olá a todos e bem-vindos a mais vídeo. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be reading out a traditional Portuguese recipe called Bacalhau à Brás. For those of you who don't know, that is codfish à la Brás. Firstly, I'll read the ingredients in Portuguese and then I will read the instructions following that. Ingredientes: 2 postas de bacalhau, posta média, ou 500 gramas de bacalhau desfiado, 200 gramas de batata frita palha, uma cebola, 3 dentes de alho, 100 ml de leite, 50 ml de azeite, 5 ovos, sal, pimenta, salsa picada, azeitonas pretas. Modo de preparação: descasca a cebola e os dentes de alho. Corta a cebola em meias luas finas e pica os dentes de alho. Leva ao lume um tacho com o azeite e os dentes de alho picados e deixa aquecer. Junta a cebola e deixe cozinhar até ficar macia. Adicione o bacalhau, misture e deixe cozinhar durante 5 minutos. Acrescente a batata frita palha e misture. Bata os ovos com uma pitada de sal e pimenta. Junte-os à mistura do bacalhau e mexa até os ovos ficarem cozidos. Retire e sirva polvilhado com salsa picada e azeitonas pretas. Bom proveito! I hope you get a chance to enjoy this dish, and if you live in Portugal, you may be aware that we sell codfish already dried and salted, and there is a pre-preparation that needs to be done to the codfish. If you buy it already shredded, then you just need to soak it overnight before using it for this recipe. If you buy the pieces, you can opt between a pre-soaked version or a non-soaked version. If you get the non-soaked version, you'll need to soak it up to 24 hours and changing the water 2 to 3 times. Once you've done that, then you need to bring a pot of water to the boil, then lower temperature and simmer the cod for about 10 minutes. Then you can, after the 10 minutes, then you remove it from the pan. You can take off the skin and then you would wait it to cool down and shred it and then use it in this recipe. Yeah, if you buy the shredded version, you just need to soak it overnight. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It is free to do so. Let me know in the comment section if there is another recipe that you'd really like to hear me read out loud in Portuguese. And bon appetit!